video, I have shown you how to draw the face structure. In this video today, I am going to show you how to draw the chest. So let's start. Guys, now let's start the video. First, while drawing the chest, you have to take a W like this. See guys, exactly like that. Now draw a circle here and attach the both ones. See guys, like this. You can draw the circle how much big as you want depending on your picture, and you can draw the inside one. This chest will be different for the male and the female one, guys. First we will draw the male one. I am keeping M for the male one. First, while drawing, we have to keep 2 marks like this and then draw the male one. The male one will be slightly similar to like this. I'm drawing the circle big. See guys, now I'm going to draw the female one. Now I'm going to draw the inside one. The male one also. Okay guys, in the last part I have said you how to draw the face. Now we'll attach the face to this and we'll see. First I will draw the female one. Okay guys, we have to draw for the female one like this. Now we'll draw the head for the female one. First we have to draw a circle and then take the shape, and then the neck, and then the hair, and then the eyebrows, then the nose, draw her hands. I will show you the clear detail about the hands in the next video. Now I am going to draw a frock for her. Now we will go for the male one. First we will draw the circle and then the neck, and I am going to draw his legs, and then his hair, and then his eyebrows, and then his eyes, and his nose, and then his mouth. And now I'm going to draw his hands and then his shirt and then his legs. See guys how beautiful it is. You can also make like this amazing pictures. Thank you guys.